It's 3 a.m. and you're wide awake. You stumble into the kitchen for some warm milk. You know, the kind Mum swore would help you fall asleep, but somehow you're now eating a bowl of ice cream with a side of cookies. How did we get here? As behavioral neuroscientist Aaron Hanlon from the University of Chicago puts it, when you're sleep deprived, you're not like, oh, you know what? I want some carrots. So what happens when we're tired? When we don't get enough sleep, a lot of things shift inside our body, and not for the better. First, our hunger hormones go completely out of balance. Ghrelin, the hormone that makes you feel hungry, goes up. Leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, goes down.
Well, that's it. I'm done.
But it's not just about feeling hungrier. Your brain's decision-making system also takes a hit. A team of researchers at UC Berkeley found that sleep deprivation dulls activity in the frontal lobe, the region of the brain responsible for complex decision-making and impulse control. At the same time, areas of the brain that respond to rewards, especially pleasure from food, become more active. This combination means you have less ability to regulate your choices and more sensitivity to tempting high-calorie foods. In simple terms, your self-control goes down, your cravings for junk food go way up. But why is it always the sugary, salty, fatty stuff that calls our name? Researchers at the University of Chicago found that sleep deprivation increases levels of 2-AG, a chemical in the endocannabinoid system. Yes, the same system cannabis activates.
But then I got high.
These chemicals enhance the pleasure we get from eating, especially when it comes to high-fat, high-sugar foods. And the effect is even stronger in the afternoon and evening, when we're already a bit more vulnerable to snacking. In the study, participants who were sleep-deprived chose snacks with double the fat content compared to when they had slept well. So it's not just about being hungrier. Your brain is literally rewiring your reward system to make indulgent foods feel extra rewarding. How to reduce cravings. Okay, so if you've had a bad night's sleep, what can you actually do to resist the cookie monster brain? Here are 4 quick science-backed tips. Eat a breakfast rich in protein. After a bad night, start your day with protein and healthy fats, like porridge with Greek yogurt, some nut butter and berries. According to a small study, people who consumed extra protein at breakfast had lower blood sugar levels and reduced appetite later in the day, compared with those consuming less protein. Don't restrict. Skipping meals often backfires and can make cravings even worse later. So eat a nutritious meal or snack every 3 to 4 hours during the day. Waiting too long to eat may only lead to stronger hunger when you do eat and the risk of overeating. Get some sunlight. Morning light helps reset your circadian rhythm, which can improve your sleep the next night. Prioritize recovery sleep. Seriously, the sleep is the ultimate reset button. After a good night's sleep, your hunger hormones and endocannabinoid system return to normal. So next time you find yourself at 3 a.m. eating ice cream and cookies, remember, it's not just willpower, it is biology. But understanding what is happening gives you the power to make better choices, or at least forgive yourself when you don't. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more science made simple. See you next time, and sleep well!